In primetime news this evening, income tax threshold increased. Finance Minister details the 2024-25 budget in Parliament.
A deadly attack on family in St. Catherine linked to gang violence.
And threats and violence force schools closures in Grange Hill, Westmoreland. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International, that's in the Cayman Islands. And if you're watching online at onespotmedia.com, I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Janelle, we'll have a little bit more from the budget, including the government's plan to spend about $1 trillion for public infrastructure works, and we'll also have a little bit more on a university that's looking to spur entrepreneurship in Jamaica. So the details in the business day later on.
Okay, and Spencer Darlington is also here with a preview of what's to come in sports. Spencer.
Thank you, Herman. Well, the Jamaica Scorpions will be looking to get their regional 48 campaign back on track. They take on the West Indies Academy starting tomorrow at Savannah Park. We'll have more details in Primetime Sports later.
And Romain is also here with a preview of what's to come in the weather report and forecast. Romain?
Thanks, Janella. These stable conditions are expected across the area. Dry afternoons, partly cloudy conditions as well. We don't have any significant shower activity in the forecast for now.
Okay, now there's also sports commentary and E-Prime in the package. But before the break, here's our feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, which cities and towns do you believe should directly elect their mayor?
Now you can share your comments online at facebook.com/televisionjamaica or on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.